Alright guys, so today we're changing that cabin air filter. Basically, this is a '09 Hyundai Accent, and it should work on most Accents. Just open your glove box, clear it out. You're going to have two tabs in here. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, there's one there. In my case, that one's busted, so I just have to do that one. So let me put you on the podium and we'll get started. Alright, so like I said, you're going to get this tab. You're going to tip your box forward. You're going to push it and then pull down. Pull it out like that. Now it's kind of hard to see. And then just tip it out. So basically, you're going to have two of these. Okay. Pull those two out, and then your box will fold down. Let me get a better view. So the box itself just folds down, and then this is your cabin air filter here, which you have just two tabs, which just squeeze them, pull that out. Okay. So like I said, now I've got two hands. Just pull this out. It's pretty easy. Pull it straight out. Okay, now you'll notice, very important, it says airflow here. So make sure your airflow is facing the right direction. In this case, it's down. Okay, you can see how bad mine was, really bad. Okay, take that out. Get your new cabin air filter, as you can see, brand new. Once again, airflow facing down. You just basically line it up and get it inserted right back in those holes. Get it pushed all the way in nice and carefully, not too far. You don't want to squish it, but far enough. Okay. Grab this piece again. Line it up. Should clip on both sides. Just like that. Next step, get this piece. You're literally putting it right back in this hole, which I'll angle you again. Okay, cool. Just have to keep moving the tripod so you can see. All right, get your piece. Slip the rubber piece in. Hopefully you've seen how I did that. It's kind of hard. Alright. So now you can see, got that one in. Of course that one is busted. And your cabin air filter is all completed. So it's as easy as that. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them down in the comments below. If this video helped, make sure you subscribe and like the content. I appreciate y'all. Have a great day.